Question number 8 reads as follows. How many number of integral solutions does the equation 2 mod x into x square plus 1 equal to 5x square have? Please pay attention to the fact that there are two key interesting things given in this question. One, they are asking for integral solutions. So whatever values are non-integers, we will have to ignore them. The second thing when you observe this is that mod x. Now mod x is a very interesting function, as we all know. It's the absolute value. No one cares about the sign in mod x. Minus 1 is also 1, plus 1 is also 1. So if, for instance, minus 5 satisfied this equation, I'm not saying it does, but if minus 5 satisfied this equation, this would become plus 5. Minus whole square would again become a plus value, and minus whole square would also again become a plus value. What I'm trying to convey is, if a positive value, integral value satisfies this, the corresponding negative integral value will also satisfy, because the mod is going to remove the negative sign, square is going to remove the negative sign, and this square is going to remove the negative sign. So I can simplify this by saying that let me remove the mod. I will look at all the positive values and all the integral values that I'm getting, and the corresponding negative values will also be a solution. So when I remove mod, I can write this as pay special attention here. 2x into x square plus 1 is equal to 5x square. It's very simple for students to simply do this. However, note that x is equal to 0 is a solution. Before you cancel x from here and here, you need to account for this, because you get 0 is equal to 0, which is a valid equation. So x is equal to 0 is one solution. From here, when I cancel x, now I'm solving for non-zero positive solutions of x. So I will get, or 2x square, by rearranging, bringing 5x on the other side and opening the brackets, this is what I get. This is a simple factorization question by splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term will happen like this. A into C is 2 into 2, which is 4, and B is minus 5, which can be written as minus 4 plus minus 1, and minus plus 4 is equal to minus 4 into minus 1. So I can split the middle term as minus 4x minus x plus 2 equal to 0, taking 2x common, x minus 2, taking minus 1 common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now taking x minus 2 common, now either x is equal to 2, so this becomes a 0 into something, I don't care, or 2x is equal to 1, which will give me x is equal to half. So x is equal to 2, which will also mean x is equal to minus 2 is also a solution. This will also mean x is equal to minus half is a solution. So if the question did not mention integral, then the number of solutions would be 0, minus 2 plus 2, minus half and half. However, the question mentions integral, so this will be ignored, and the solutions are x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 2, or x is equal to 0. The answer to the question are 3 integral solutions. Pay attention, I picked 0 because 0 is an integer. The positive or negative bit was used to solve for a non-zero integral solution.